Hi, my name is Tan Xuanling. Today I'm gonna present about industrial training report. Here's my summary. I have completed 24 weeks industrial training at Coberco Precision Technology, Malapas, Penang. I also gained practical experience in machine maintenance, safety management, and engineering documentation. These are my tasks within my internship. The first one, I monitor vibration for grinding machine, which is auto and manual grinder. Second one is I created bill of material, which is BOM list for the manual grinder, which is including mechanical and electrical components. The third one is safety management, which is I prepare HAREC for PM activities such as CCM, which means cassette cleaning machine. Sorry. This is my company overview. So basically my company is a manufacturing industry that create a aluminium disc substrate for hard disk drive. So basically the hard disk, we just create the blank, which is that donut disk, and our main company is at Japan, which is Kobe Steel. And our company from Japan is mainly produce aluminium and machinery. But in here, in Malaysia, just produce the aluminium disc. And our business focus is produce aluminium ground substrate with strict quality and surface finish standard for HDD components. And our customer basically is for Seagate WD company. So here is my company process flow. As you can see, for the substrate production process, the first one is started from edge plating, which is from the blanking process, and then after that it will be pre-cleaning. So we got the pre-clean machine, and after that annealing machine. So the pre-clean, basically we need to clean the surface of the disc, and then after that will be annealing. So we just put our product into a very high temperature to change the shape of the surface, and then next will be grinding machine. So there's two type of grinding machine, which is manual and auto grinding, but mostly in our company there's auto grinder machine is more than manual grinder machine. Next will be visual inspection. So the operator will do the inspection by their naked eyes, and then it will send to QA department to inspect again, and then it will be packaging, which is we use the bagging machine, and lastly shipment, ship the product to our customer. This is my organization structure. So our director in this department is Izawa-san, Mr. Izawa, and our manager in equipment department is Injet Saiful, and then my supervisor, which is a staff engineer, is Siketan, and my technician, which is separate into 5 group, which is PM1, PM2, CRS, A-Gate, and PM module. So the first task I'll be doing monthly vibration monitoring checklist. So every month I need to do the vibration checklist for auto grinder machine and manual grinder machine, which including the motors and gearbox of the machine. So the spec is depend on the type of machine. If auto grinder, there's two type, system cycle and speed fan. So both type got different spec. So if for the system cycle, the spec is 1.0 meter per second, and the speed fan is 1.5 meter per second. Then 6 month duration of monitoring period. So I've been doing 6 times, 6 checklists for the vibration. Next one is bomb list, which is bill of material. I created this for manual grinding machine because to make sure that the upcoming, if let's say the machine needs some upgrades, so in this document at least you can know which machine is already upgraded, which machine is still using the old component. So inside the list there's many components, including mechanical and electrical components. So there's a gearbox, motor, amplifier, cylinder, valve, sensor, and other parts. Okay. Then to create this list, I need to study and find out the part number of every part. And then I also need to measure the size, the ball size and stroke length for the main cylinder and sub cylinder. Then after that I will be document this bomb list into the system. The task is hierarchy development. So hierarchy means hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. Okay. So the CCM, maintenance safety. So I create a hierarchy for the PM, CCM. So basically I will cover, this is an example by the way, I will cover the hot solvent, high pressure spray, and chemical exposure. This is an example for the hierarchy. So here basically you can see if chemical exposure we need to wear PPE such as glove, goggles, and in the handling training. So basically in our we need to wear the proper PPE to do the preventive maintenance. So this highlight is to document all the risks from the PM. So preventive maintenance system basically PM. So we will be schedule the plan downtime. If for the grinding machine, mostly we plan 6 months once. So there's like hundred of a machine. So every day there will be different machine that we do PM. one machine every 6 months. If overhaul, different. Overhaul every 5 years to do the overhaul for the grinding machine, auto grinding and manual grinding. So the recommendation: a technical skill, master vibration analysis, equipment recognition, and safety assessment. Industry knowledge, I can apply engineering principle to real manufacturing channels. Basically, I can use this knowledge to every industry, every manufacturing industry. And then future development, recommend digital vibration data system and continuous training program. So hopefully this will continue in the next batch. This industrial training provided invaluable exposure to precision manufacturing practice, machine reliability management, and workplace safety standards. The hands-on experience will significantly benefit future engineering career development. So, recommend we do more hands-on experience. So that's all for my industrial training report. Thank you.